Leek tomato, bit of cheese, oven baked, open omelette. There we go. Pan on, a little bit of sunflower oil, not too much, just a little bit. Just a little bit longer. So I've got my eggs here. I'm using 4 eggs in this. Let's give it a whisk up. So those all combined. The yolks combined with the white. And into this, I'm going to add some table salt. Not too much because the cheese is quite salty, so don't overdo it. Okay. Pan. Yeah. So frying pan. So I drop some onions in there. My finely diced onions. Then I've got some leeks I'm going to add in there. So cook all those down together. Just let those, cook. I've got a little bit of butter. Drop that in there. I'm going to put 2 blocks of butter. I'm feeling quite naughty today. Okay. So the oven's turned on about 165 temperature. So the leeks are nicely cooked down in there, and the onions. Now I've just got some cherry tomatoes I'm going to drop in. Cherry tomato, why do you look so good? Okay. Let's just move this pan over here. Pan, chopping board. Okay. Right. See that? Then you got your leeks, cherry tomatoes, onion. We're cooking down in a little bit of butter and the oil. I've seasoned the eggs, so I'm not going to put too much seasoning in the actual omelette as the cheese is quite salty. And I don't want to overdo it because we're just going to end up with a really salty omelette, which is no good for anyone really. That's looking good. I'm also going to drop the cheese in there. Straight in the omelette, straight in the mix. Straight inside. Okay. Let's give it all a mix around. Okay, so that's all combined up in there. Cheese is melted. Now, I'm just going to take it off. I'm just going to drop my eggs in there. I've got 4 eggs. And that's pretty good fit in there. So let's just move that around slightly. There's quite a lot of residual heat in the pan, so that's going to start cooking the omelette. So I just want to get it all mixed up nicely. And then I'm just going to drop it in I'm just going to place it into the centre of the oven. So we just place it into the centre of the oven because don't want it at the top because it might burn it. So we'll just put it in the middle. Let's have a quick look inside the oven at this omelette. As you can see, there he is. And if I just give it a quick knock, you can see that it's still really wet in the middle. So I'm just going to leave it a little bit longer. Let's get the oven closed up, and then we'll come back to it in about 5 minutes. And we can, look, see that, the wobble? Still liquid. The omelette has been in the oven now for about 10 minutes on 100 and roughly 160 degrees. I'm just going to have a look. See how we're getting on. See that? So you can see all the egg has now, it looks like it's set. However, I just need to check a bit inside to make sure it has actually cooked through. You get a knife. I'll get one of these little butter knives. And we just want to check that the eggs are actually cooked in the middle. Make sure it's not watery, because that looks pretty good to me. Okay. Okay. Right. Now, let's just have a quick. It's looking. I think that is going to come out first time. Use the force. There we go. And we've got a few of these little stingy bits. Stingy? Like, I don't know if stingy is the right word, but frilly bits around the omelette. I'll just knock them off. And yeah, but the omelette, I've just turned it out upside down. It's this side. The presentation on this side is not that great, so I'm just going to flip it on a plate on the top of it, flip the whole thing up the other way, so it should have a better presentation. Okay, this is really heavy. If you're using a heavy board, be careful, and then just kind of flip it over. What we got? Oh yeah, there we go. Kind of flattened it there. Okay. Maybe it was a better idea just to slide the omelette out of the pan, but there we go. So there we have. I mean, that size absolutely fits that plate perfectly. Who'd have thought that, eh? So there you go, that's the open leek, tomato and cheese open omelette. Thank you.